Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Today we got a new range of products for you. First of all, I have this strainer for you. Let me show you one by one. Okay.
Yes, this is a beautiful kitchen tool. As you can see, it's stainless steel. Opens up this way for on top of pots to rest it for straining and for deep frying or steaming any vegetables you have in the kitchen.
It's very handy. You can just close it and slide it in the shelf like this.
As you can see here, it's going to be used for steaming, for rinsing and straining, and even for deep frying it.
Yeah, you can see here.
It just goes from the pot into the plate. It drains up all the extra oil and extra water. Can be used for washing vegetables, fruits, different things in the kitchen.
And second type of strainer, we have this one. We have two sizes in it. This is small size, as you can see, and this is large one.
Yes, this is very handy also, and very important in the kitchen for straining, for excess oil, even washing vegetables. So this is the third one. We can see this is very useful, a colander strainer in the kitchen, a useful tool for even draining pasta, your rice, vegetables, and frying things like fries, chicken. So this is the small size, and this is the large size.
This is the fourth one. We have three sizes in it. This is the smallest one, smallest size, and this is medium size, as you can see, and this is the large one. So three sizes in this one. So this is the cooking basket. You can wash or strain vegetables, fruits. It has two sizes and two styles. As you can see, this is oval shape and this is rectangle shape. You can have idea about the sizes. As you can see, it is very useful for straining and washing vegetables, fruits with minimum time. You can save your time, and it's very useful. You can buy these products from our stores. Links are given in the description of this video. We also got a 3-piece set sieve, stainless steel strainer set. It's made in China, very good quality. It has 3 pieces. As you can see, very good quality. It's not bendable, and you can use it for multi-purpose. Again, we got this strainer, stainless steel basket. It also has two sizes. Small size is 25 centimeter and the large size is 28 centimeter. It's also a fruit and vegetable basket. You can use it for multi-purposes. As you can see, we have two sizes. It is stainless steel, very good quality. You can buy it from our different online stores. Links are given in the description of this video. Especially you can get this item on fabulouscorner.com, on TikTok shop, and other social media websites. All links are given in the description of this video. We also got this strainer. It has two colors, one size. It is very useful to wash the vegetables, especially fruits. Let's say to wash strawberries, apples, and all kind of fruits. You can also strain pasta after boiling. It has 2 colors. It is listed on our websites, different social media websites. You can buy all these products from our different social media websites. Links are given in the description of this video, and especially you can buy these items from fabulouscorner.com, www.fabulouscorner.com.